So starting off with the external anatomy of the frog, the eyes are going to be right here, and the eyes enable a wide, nearly 360-degree vision, helping to swallow food by pushing it down the throat and protecting the eyes while underwater. The nictitating membrane is going to be that filmy thing right on the eyes. Basically, it functions like goggles. It protects the eyes from debris, water, and UV radiation while swimming. If you go down a little bit further, these are going to be the forelegs, and these are used for support, balance, and absorbing shock when landing from a jump. These right here are going to be the digits. These are basically like the fingers. They're used for balance, supporting the body, and absorbing impact during landing. Going down a little bit further, these are going to be the forelegs. They're used for support, balance, the hind legs. They provide powerful propulsion needed for swimming and jumping, and they also aid in climbing and grasping. They also have little digits right here. Moving up a little bit, this is going to be the cloaca. It's a single rear opening for the digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems to expel waste and gametes. The tympanum is going to be right here, kind of close to the eyes. Basically, the tympanum, it transmits sound vibrations from the air to the frog's inner ear, enabling it to hear. These are going to be the external nares, and basically these work with the internal nares for breathing, smelling, and these nostrils, basically they take in air that is directed into the lungs. We have the maxillary teeth. It's just going to be that yellowish line up here. We have the tongue, and basically the maxillary teeth, it helps to grip and hold prey in the upper jaw to prevent it from escaping when the frog swallows it whole. The tongue is primarily used for catching prey with sticky saliva, and it's got a very soft, stretchy texture. Going down a bit further is going to be that little clear-like structure down there is going to be the glottis. It functions in being the entrance into the lungs, allowing the frog to breathe, and it plays a role in volatilization by opening to allow air to pass through the vocal cords. Okay. So the the vomerine teeth are going to be right underneath those internal nares that we talked about earlier. The internal nares are right on top, and basically they do the same thing where they work together for breathing and smelling, taking in air. Underneath that is going to be the vomerine teeth. So these are these little brown structures right underneath the internal nares, and these work to grip and hold prey and allowing the frog to swallow. Yeah, that's it.